Okay, today I'm gonna do the life hack on how to make mosquito repellent. Why? Because after all the rain that we've had, especially during the month of October, there seems to be a plethora of mosquitoes wherever you go. So don't spend money using DEET. Instead, make it yourself with essential oils. So very simple recipe. All you need is a spray bottle, which I got this little fancy one over at the 99-cent store for only 99 cents. You want to fill it about 90% full of water. Some people prefer to use distilled water. So fill that up. And then what you want to do is you want 2 types of essential oil. You want to get lemongrass, and you want to use 5 drops of that. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you want to use 10 drops of lavender oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. So 5 drops of lavender, or you can use tea tree oil, and 10 drops of lemongrass oil. Shake it up and just spray it as you go. And it smells really good too. I'll have the full recipe posted on my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com. And as always, I appreciate your time. Have a fantastic weekend. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.